various questions that appear in previous NECO/WAEC. In this question, we are trying to solve question 3 of the previous NECO. This is the question 3, and you know the excess of coming up with this English version of the class, because the senator is the chairman, Senate Committee on Security and Intelligence, Federal Republic of Nigeria. As far as that office is concerned, or in regard to that office, he is representing Nigeria as a whole, not Bauchi State alone and not Bauchi South alone. That is why we decided to use the English version of this class to make sure that the tutorial cut across national and international boundaries. We are going to explain this statement in English for better understanding and further clarification. Question 3 is that the vertices of a triangle PQR are P is minus 3, 8, Q 4 and 3, R 1 and 2. Find the equation of line PQ and equation of line QR. If you look at it, we are to obtain the equation of line PQ at the same time obtain the equation of line QR. The same terminologies follows to get the equation of line PQ. That same terminologies will be followed to get the equation of line QR. If you want to prove to me that you are ready for the next or upcoming WAEC and NECO, you will not expect me to solve this and solve this. I will solve this and leave it for you people, and leave this one for you people as assignment. If you are able to do it, forward it in our WhatsApp channel for proof. Now, when we talk of vertex, if you have a triangle like this, the 2 points where the 2 lines meet, or the point of intersection of the line is known as the vertex. That means we have vertex 1, vertex 2, and vertex 3. We name it to be P, Q, R. Now, on to the solution now. You won't be able to get the equation of line PQ without obtaining the gradient or the slope of the line PQ. Therefore, we are going to obtain the slope of the line PQ being denoted by capital letter R, capital letter N. The formula is line PQ is Q and R, or P and Q. Yes, if it is P and Q, look at our P. We name this bracket 1 and this is bracket 2. If you say P2 minus P1 all over Q2 minus Q1, this is the equation this is the formula for obtaining slope or gradient of a line. Since you consider this one to be your bracket 1 and this one to be your bracket 2, your P1 and Q1 will be here, and your P2 and Q2 will be here. Therefore, P2, our P2 will be 4, because this is bracket 2. P comes first before Q. P2 is 4. Therefore, we have replaced P2, that is substitution with 4. 4 minus, this is minus. P1, we come to bracket 1. P1 is minus 3, minus 3. All over Q2, you come to bracket 2, your Q2 is 3, you put your 3 here. Then Q1, you come to bracket 1, your Q1 is 8, you put 8. Minus is plus. Therefore, 4 minus 3 is the same as 4 plus 3. All over 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Therefore, 4 plus 3 is 7 all over minus 5. Therefore, our slope is minus 7 over 5. This is the slope. Therefore, to the equation of line PQ, this is the formula for obtaining the equation of line PQ. M is equals to P minus P1 all over Q minus Q1. But our M, before we don't do it, we now continue calling it as M. But we have obtained the value of M here to be minus 7 over 5. Therefore, our value of M is minus 7 all over 5, which is equals to P. The P is not attached with 1, is not attached with 2. You name it as P. Let it continue to be P. Minus P1. You come to your bracket, what is your P1? Minus 3. Minus 3. All over 5. Then Q minus Q1. What is your Q1? Your Q1 is 8. Q minus 8. Minus 7 over 5 is equals to P minus is 3. Minus is what? Plus. P plus 3 all over Q minus 8. Q minus what? 8. That is Q minus 8. If you continue or you cross multiply like this, if you cross multiply, this 7 will multiply this and this 5 will multiply this. Therefore, 7 open bracket Q minus 8, you close the bracket, equals to 5 open bracket P plus 3, you close the bracket. If you expand the bracket now, 7 times Q will give you 7Q. But since there is minus, you put minus 7Q. Minus times minus, it will be plus. 7 times 8, 56, equal to 5 times P, 5P. 5P, then 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 3 is what? 15. Now, we said our 7Q minus 5P is equals to 56 minus 15. Therefore, 7Q minus 5P is equals to 41. If it is 41, if you make our q to be y and our p to be x, we are having 7y is equals to 5x minus 41. This is the equation of line. You are to use the same procedure followed here. Obtain your slope for QR, that is QR using Q2, Q1, R2, R1. You get your slope, you now come use M equals to Q, Q1, R, R1. You do the substitution, you do the cross multiply, you get the equivalent equation of line for QR. That is why I want you to prove to me that yes, you are ready for the upcoming NECO exam. Do this one and forward it to Senator Shehu Bomor Online Academy WhatsApp group for proof, so that we share our joy and happiness. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and show appreciation. I also appreciate the effort of the Senator for introducing this online class for better achievement and better tomorrow of our fellow students, fellow friends, and the upcoming generation. Don't forget to pay back 2027, inshallah. Thank you.